God is good all the time. Today, you leave the halls of Southern Luzon State University carrying more than a diploma. You carry the dreams of your families, the hopes of your communities, and the trust of a nation that now looks to you as builder of its future. As you step into a world filled with challenges and opportunities, I charge you to use the knowledge, skills, values, and wisdom you have gained in this university, not merely for personal success, but for a purpose greater than yourselves. Let your education become an instrument for service. Let your talents become tools for transformation. Let your achievements become blessings that uplift others. The Philippines does not simply need educated citizens. It needs men and women of character. It needs graduates who will choose integrity over convenience, excellence over mediocrity, and service over self-interest. It needs citizens who will not ask only what the country can do for them, but what they can do for their country. I charge you to be agents of positive change wherever life may take you. In your families, be examples of honor, responsibility, and love. In your workplaces, be professionals whose competence is matched by integrity. In your communities, be leaders who inspire unity, progress, and hope. In our nation, be citizens who defend truth, uphold justice, respect human dignity, and work tirelessly for the common good. Always remember that your success will find its highest meaning when it becomes a source of opportunity for others. The finest reward of your education is not the title before your name, but the difference you make in the lives of people around you. Go forth, therefore, with confidence in your abilities, faith in your dreams, and love for our beloved Philippines. Carry the banner of Southern Luzon State University with pride and honor. Be worthy of the sacrifices that brought you to this day. Be worthy of the trust placed upon you by your families, your university, and our nation. God bless all of you, your family, and our nation. Congratulations! Yes for Class 2026, and yes for SLSU. Thank you.